Apple has once again changed the game. After years of dominance with the M1 through M4 chips, the tech giant has now unleashed the Apple M5, a silicon masterpiece designed to push the limits of AI performance, graphics rendering, and efficiency. But this isn't just an incremental upgrade. It's a bold redefinition of what Apple devices can achieve. From pro-level content creators to casual users, the M5 chip promises faster speeds, smarter AI, a unified ecosystem unlike anything we've seen before. But is it truly Apple's best chip ever? Or is it simply evolution disguised as revolution? Today on TechVerse, we'll break down every detail, from its architecture to real-world performance, and help you decide whether the M5 power devices are worth your upgrade in 2025. The Apple M5 chip is here, and it's making waves across the entire tech industry, setting a new gold standard for what a computer chip can do in 2025. With every generation, Apple Silicon has brought something remarkable to the table, but the M5 is in a league of its own. This new chip isn't just faster. It's smarter, more efficient, and more powerful than ever, designed to enhance every Apple device it touches, from the iPad Pro and MacBook Pro to the Vision Pro headset. At its core, the M5 delivers an extraordinary leap in AI computing, offering a 4x increase in machine learning performance compared to the M4. That means tasks like real-time image recognition, natural language processing, and on-device AI features are now lightning fast and incredibly accurate. For creative professionals using Final Cut Pro, Logic Pro, or DaVinci Resolve, this translates to smoother video rendering, faster exporting, and smarter automation powered directly by the M5's neural engine. The M5 isn't just an upgrade. It's a revolution for AI workflows, enabling your device to predict, adapt, and optimize your tasks like never before. Next, let's talk about GPU performance, which takes a massive leap forward with 45% faster ray tracing and 3D rendering speeds. For gamers, designers, and developers, this means ultra-smooth graphics, enhanced realism, and console-level performance on a laptop or tablet. Apple's new architecture allows real-time reflections, lifelike shadows, and better rendering quality in games and design software alike, closing the gap between mobile and desktop graphics. Imagine playing AAA titles or editing 8K video footage with no lag or overheating. This is the level of power the M5 brings to the table. On the CPU front, Apple has achieved a 15 to 20% boost in processing power, meaning faster multitasking, quicker app launches, and seamless transitions between demanding workloads. Combined with a 30% increase in memory bandwidth, now up to 153 gigabytes per second, the M5 ensures that every application runs faster and more efficiently, from massive spreadsheets to high-end simulations. The M5 chip represents Apple's relentless pursuit of performance without compromise, achieving extraordinary gains while maintaining class-leading battery life and thermal control. Now, let's dive into how this power translates across Apple's product ecosystem, starting with the iPad Pro. This device is where the M5 truly shines, transforming the iPad into a portable workstation that rivals high-end PCs. Thanks to the M5's 3.5x boost in AI performance, features like real-time language translation, enhanced photo editing, and adaptive multitasking run faster than ever. The iPad Pro now handles 4K video editing and 3D modeling effortlessly, making it an ideal companion for creatives on the go. Apple has also improved connectivity, offering 50% faster cellular speeds and doubling storage read/write performance, meaning apps load almost instantly and file transfers happen in a blink. The unified memory has been upgraded to 12 gigabytes for 256 gigabytes and 512 gigabytes models, giving professionals a room they need to work on massive projects without slowdowns. But while these improvements are groundbreaking for creators and power users, casual consumers might not notice as dramatic a change, especially if they primarily use their iPad for streaming or note-taking. Still, for anyone serious about performance, the M5 iPad Pro is the most capable tablet ever made. Moving on to the Vision Pro, Apple's futuristic mixed reality headset also benefits tremendously from the M5's integration. Here, the M5 chip delivers a 10% boost in pixel rendering, producing sharper, more immersive visuals. The jump to a 120Hz refresh rate means smoother motion, reduced eye strain, and more comfortable experience for long sessions of virtual or augmented reality. The M5's 50% faster AI processing enables better object tracking, improved spatial awareness, and more fluid interaction between virtual elements and real-world surroundings. The pass-through camera system has been enhanced as well, blending the digital and physical worlds more naturally, creating an experience that feels genuinely immersive. This version of the Vision Pro isn't just a headset. It's an entirely new computing environment powered by Apple's most efficient chip. However, one drawback remains. The high cost of entry and the absence of a trade-in program for M2 Vision Pro users may deter some buyers, though early adopters seeking next-gen mixed reality performance will find the M5-equipped Vision Pro unmatched in capability. Next up, the MacBook Pro, Apple's iconic professional laptop, gets subtler but meaningful upgrades. The design remains largely familiar, but under the hood, the M5 chip doubles SSD speeds, meaning faster boot times, instant file access, and zero lag in large project workflows. The introduction of the optional nano texture display, available for an additional $150, further enhances usability, reducing glare and improving clarity under bright lighting conditions, making it perfect for outdoor or on-set work. While the changes might seem incremental to casual users, for professionals who depend on reliability and performance, these updates elevate the MacBook Pro's productivity potential. The M5 chip ensures that creative software, developer tools, and high-performance applications like Xcode, Blender, and After Effects run seamlessly, even during multitasking-heavy scenarios. Now, let's look at the broader market implications. The Apple M5's immense performance gains effectively blur the lines between the standard, Pro, and Max chip variants, offering enough power for even the most demanding users in its base form. This strategic move simplifies Apple's chip hierarchy and allows the company to streamline its lineup while reducing user confusion. However, this also introduces a dilemma. Should M4 owners upgrade? The M5 undoubtedly delivers major performance gains, but the improvements may feel more evolutionary than revolutionary to existing users, especially given the limited trade-in programs. For users with older devices, however, the M5 represents a perfect entry point into Apple's new generation computing, offering unmatched performance, efficiency, and AI capability. Looking ahead, Apple's future roadmap for the M5 platform looks promising. The company is already rumored to be developing M5 Pro, M5 Max, and M5 Ultra variants, pushing performance boundaries even further for professionals who rely on workstation-level computing. These next-gen versions are expected to integrate faster SSDs, more unified memory, and AI accelerators that could rival dedicated GPUs. Apple's continued investment in chip design reaffirms its long-term strategy of vertical integration, creating hardware, software, and silicon that work in perfect harmony. As we move closer to a world dominated by AI, machine learning, and immersive media, the M5 chip positions Apple as a leader in both performance and innovation. At its core, the M5 chip isn't just about numbers. It's about the experience. Whether you're editing 8K footage, building 3D models, developing apps, or simply browsing the web, the M5 ensures everything happens faster, smoother, and smarter. It reduces lag, enhances responsiveness, and boosts productivity, all while maintaining Apple's signature energy efficiency. It's the kind of innovation that doesn't just meet expectations, it redefines them. The combination of AI intelligence, GPU excellence, and ecosystem-wide optimization makes the M5 Apple's most complete chip ever. It's not just silicon. It's the brain powering the future of Apple's technology. So, what's the final verdict? If you're using an older device, say an M2 or earlier, the M5 upgrade is a no-brainer. You'll experience a massive leap in performance, AI capability, and graphics. If you own an M4, the decision depends on your needs. Power users will notice and appreciate the improvements, but casual users might prefer to wait for the M5 Pro or Max models expected next year. Either way, one thing is clear. Apple has once again proven why it remains at the forefront of silicon innovation. The M5 chip isn't just Apple's best. It's one of the most powerful chips ever made for consumer devices. It marks a turning point in how we experience computing, blending human creativity with machine intelligence like never before. And as a foundation for Apple's future products, it paves the way for a smarter, faster, and more connected ecosystem. So, whether you're a creator, a gamer, or just someone who loves cutting-edge tech, the M5 is the ultimate performance platform for the next generation of Apple devices. And with that, we wrap up our deep dive into the Apple M5 chip, a true masterpiece of engineering that's setting new benchmarks for the tech world. If you enjoyed this detailed breakdown and want to stay updated on the latest Apple innovations, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. This is TechVerse, where technology meets innovation, and the future is just getting started. If you're looking for unbeatable performance, next-level AI capabilities, and the smoothest Apple experience ever, the M5 chip delivers it all. Whether you choose the iPad Pro, MacBook Pro, or Vision Pro, this new silicon guarantees speed, efficiency, and intelligence that redefines what's possible. For professionals, creators, and power users, it's the perfect time to upgrade. Stay ahead of the curve, explore, innovate, and keep watching TechVerse, your ultimate source for everything in the world of next-gen technology.